Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable Smartsheet conditional logic for project dashboards, full guide step by step clearly. To enable Smartsheet conditional logic for project dashboards, begin by logging into your Smartsheet account. Navigate to the dashboard where you want to implement conditional logic. Click on the Edit button to access the dashboard customization options. Select the widget you would like to apply conditional logic to. In the widget settings, locate the Conditional Logic section. Click on the Add Condition button to create a new condition. Choose the trigger for your condition from the available options. Define the specific criteria that must be met for the condition to activate. Select the desired outcome that should occur once the condition is met. If you want to add more conditions, repeat the previous steps. Use the and/or options to combine multiple conditions as needed. Once all conditions are set, review your logic for accuracy. Click Apply to save the conditional logic settings for the widget. Preview your dashboard to ensure that the conditional logic works as intended. Make any necessary adjustments based on your preview. Finally, click on the Save button to finalize the changes to your dashboard. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.